Ohora just gifted me their Milk Rose semi-cured gel nails, and I already know and love Ohora so much. I'm already wearing them. I've been wearing these for a few days, and they are amazing for so many different reasons. Unlike press-ons, you have a lot more control over how you shape them and how you apply them. And then once they're on, they really act like gel nails. They last longer. They look cleaner, in my opinion, and they're just beautiful all around. And Ohora gives you so many options in colorways, patterns. They even have some that have embedded bezels, whatever you want. But the most magical piece about these is that when I am finished wearing them, you use the Easy Peel Remover from Ohora, and these come off in seconds. They do not damage my nails at all. So I started using Ohora originally while my nails were healing from gel nail polish damage, and now I just wear them because they are so beautiful and so fun, and I know that my nails are going to look great and be healthy when I remove these. Now, applying them is very simple. All you do is make sure to clean your nails really, really well. This is a key step to make sure that they stay on. I wash my hands, fully dry them, and then I wipe down each nail very, very well with the cleansing towel. It's just rubbing alcohol, so you can definitely use some of your own. Make sure that dries and then put on the stickers. You'll want to apply a sticker only once. If you mess up and peel it off and put it back on, it may work, it may not last as long. If you don't want to take the risk, just make sure you get the sticker on right the first time. Once you have your stickers on, you can trim the stickers while they're still soft, but I find that it is so much easier and cleaner to harden the nails with the stickers on. So I will put them under the LED lamp. Any LED lamp works, but Ohora has a really nice portable LED lamp that you can even plug into a portable power bank. And I take about 90 seconds to 2 minutes to really get them hardened and really stuck on. And then it's just a matter of trimming and buffing and you're good to go. I cannot tell you how much I love these nails. I love that I was gifted them. I will definitely be purchasing many more of these in the future. They really are the easiest nails to add on. They are super beginner friendly and they're the fastest and cleanest nails to remove. Really, really nice. Ohora is amazing.